Hello, hello, hello. Awesome. Okay. Sorry for cutting off there a little bit at the end. I always lose track of time whenever I'm doing these things. Okay, so in the last one, in part two, we just covered over this rhythm right here. We're gonna go over it one more time. We're going over Tickety, as I was just talking about in the last one. If you remember, what we talked about is that Tickety, this rhythm right here, has two 16th notes and one eighth note. Basically, that's how it gets its sound for ticka t, just like how 16th notes are ticka ticka, and how eighth notes are t t. So it's ticka t for this rhythm. So let's review over it one more time, and then I've got a really fun game for us to do inside. That's very tasty, wink wink, and all that stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and do this rhythm one more time. All of us together. I'll give us 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll all go for it. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety ta, tickety ta. Exactly. So just make sure while we're doing this, it's okay if you don't have it quite down yet. We've got a lot of activities that really focus in on tickety, and I'm sure that you'll get it in the end. Okay. So that was really good. Good job to all of you. And now we have a really fun game to finish off our first lesson here. It's really exciting. Let me go and pull it on up. Oh, that's right. We've got ice cream rhythm treats. That's right. All of them focusing on tickety. I thought, what better way than for summer, since it's so hot outside now, that we have nice little ice cream treats while we're heading out. Okay, it's really fun. We'll select different ice creams on the screen, and then it's going to give us a rhythm that we're going to try and do, and then we'll see how well we can do it. All right. So here's our page of all these delicious treats. Oh my goodness. They look tasty. Okay, so what ice cream treat should we start off with first? I don't know if you guys have known, but one of my favorite colors is green, like this little ice cream treat right here. So why not start off with one of the best looking ice cream treats? Okay. Now, if you see, we've got some tickatees here, along with other things like ticka ticka and ta. Okay, so I'll give us 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll all come in together, playing this little rhythm. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, ticka ticka ta. Nice, nice. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, ticka ticka ta. Nice. Really nice job. Okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oop, that was weird. Sorry. Okay, let's do the next one. Which treat would you guys like to pick? I'm listening. I think I heard this one right here. This big old banana boat situation. All right. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. T T tickety T T ta. Nice. Really nice. Really starting to get the hang of tickety here. Doing really good. Let's keep it going. Okay. Let's see. Have you guys ever seen this kind of ice cream treat before with 3 stacks? I've always been amazed by them. I'm like, wow, I don't know, I don't even know how they stay on there. That's crazy. Let's go ahead and try that one. All right. Look at the rhythm. I'll give you guys a second to look at it. All right, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, tickety, tickety, ta. Nice, nice. Tickety, really nice. Let's try this one. That's crazy. It has like 3 different flavors all in one scoop. Let's try that one. Okay, okay. Give you guys a moment to look at it. Got some good old ticketies. All right. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety ta ta ta. Nice. Really, really nice. All right. We've got these 4 already done. Let's pick out the next one. This one kind of looks like a muffin, in my opinion. I like it. Let's do this one. Okay. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. T T tickety ticka ta. Nice, nice. Really, really nice job. All right. What should we do for the next one? Let's do this one. Give you guys a moment to look at it. All right. Let's give it a shot. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta ta tickety ta. Nice, nice, really nice job. All right, let's keep it going. We got all these guys done over here. So let's try this. All right, all right. Take a little looky at it here. All right, let's give it a shot. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety ta, tickety ta. Nice, nice, really nice job. Ah, ah, ah. Okay. We got these 3 left, or 4, sorry, these 4 left. Or I guess 5. Sorry. These 5 left. Okay. Let's see. Speaking of ice cream treats, what are some of your guys' favorite ones? I think mine is this, is similar to this one right here. It's an ice cream sandwich. There's this one from Disneyland. Oh my goodness! If you guys haven't been there, you've got to try it. They have these Mickey Mouse head ice cream sandwiches. They are delicious. Okay. Enough about that. All right. Let's go ahead and keep it going. Let's move on to this one right here. All right. Give you a moment to look. Okay, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta ta tickety tickety. Nice. Nice. Really nice job. All right. Move on to the next one here. Let's go with the ice cream. Give you guys a moment to look it over. This one's a little bit more complicated. It's got some more 16th notes over here. It's hidden on everything that we've been working on. All right, let's give it a shot. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety-ta, ticka-ticka-tee-tee. Nice, nice. Alright, so let's try out this ice cream cone. I like it. It has like 3 yellow ones right here, and then it's got a nice little cherry on top. I don't like cherries on my ice cream. I don't know about you guys. Comment below if you like cherries on your ice cream and all that crazy stuff. Okay. Okay, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety-tee-tee-ta. Shh. That's right. I don't think we've had a shh in this game yet. That's pretty cool. Really nice job. Alright, I think we've just got these 2 left right here. Right. Give you guys a moment to think it over. I'm almost out of lemonade. My goodness. I need to get some more. Okay. Alright, let's give it a shot. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, 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 ta. A lot of ticketies in that one. Really, really nice job. Way to get over those little guys. Alright, alright. Last one here, our little ice cream treat sundae thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, go ahead and look over the rhythm, and we are going to get into it in just a sec. Alright. Alright, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, ta, ta. Nice. Well done. Very, very nice. You guys sounded great on that one. The really, really fun stuff. Alright, alright. Sweet. So those are the concepts for Tickety that you guys did. Perfect. I hope that you guys are starting to get it down a little bit. It's really, really cool. Just always keep on working on through. Please feel free to go back inside any part of the video, even inside earlier parts like part 1. You can be able to look around and get some really cool things from that. Especially with the dice block ones, I would love to see how you guys are doing with those guys. There's so many more little rhythms that we can be able to practice and all that stuff. We'll continue to keep on working on our earlier rhythms. We'll keep on focusing on those, as well as pushing forward with this new rhythm with Tickety. And then I've got one last one really big activity inside lesson 3, which is it'll come a little bit later, but that will be super exciting. It'll be kind of like a Fallout experience with everything, so that'll be really cool. Other than that, really nice job, guys. We'll go ahead and continue forward into lesson 2 of these rhythms. I look forward to seeing you guys then. Please make sure you're continuing to practice, and just comment below about how you're doing.